There's Tom's book. He is a diligent keeper of the sightings. And again, I think I might have mentioned, we're marking them off in the order that we've seen them. Doing a good job, honey?
No, I'm not.
You're not doing a good job? I thought you were doing a great job. Hi, girl. Hi. Stop shaking your head. Another very magical place. I have to be quiet. Here in Sweeney Birdhide. And yeah, oh my God. Crazy. Looks like it's in the deer pine.
A new place, a new home, for a while, let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back, take my time, just enjoy the ride. I know man, passing by, life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, something new, feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky. I found my way, I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way, I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way, my way, my way, my way, my way. Cause I found my way, my way, my way, my way, my way. I found my way, I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way, I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way, my way, my way, my way. Cause I found my way, my way, my way, my way, my way. I found my way, I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way, I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way.
Ain't such a shabby place to spend some time while Tom fishes. Cape Vital Beach.
That's a big one there, a big one, eh? Oh. He's proper.
Nice.
Yeah, that's proper. Every single throw.
Looks like Tom's putting his glasses so he can see the hippos better.
Yeah.
Where you going, buddy? All right. Just a quick little walk before breakfast. I'm seriously trying to rack my memory. I don't know that I've ever been somewhere this beautiful.
A new place, a new home. For a while, let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back. Take my time, just enjoy the ride.
Oh, that's gorgeous.
A new man passing by. Life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. Oh, I feel so.
It's a Doreen Falls. Oh, beautiful.
Reach out to the sky. I found my way. I found my way. I was in the dark against it all. I found my way. I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. 'Cause I
All
found
right.
my way.
There she is.
Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way, my way, my way, my way, my way. Cause I found my way, my way, my way, my way, my way. I found my way, I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way, I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way. My way, my way, my way, my way. Cause I found my way, my way, my way, my way, my way. I found my way, I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way, I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way.
Are you sweet? Looks like got so. To have real food before we can have cheese and chocolate. This cafe. I think we'll try the brewery. And there's first taste review of Wedgwood, which is a artisanal handmade honey nougat ice cream and confectionery shop. What do you think?
Ice cream's real good.
How good?
Real good.
You're dripping on the other side. You might want to get it. It's not dripping yet, but it's getting below the cone.